Hello everybody, so I just want to share this video as I unbox the best microphone ever that I've just received. It's called the NT1A. It's really a good mic, I think, I hope, and I'll be testing the mic to see how it works. And so without much further ado, let's begin. Ro, do you want to help me?
Yeah.
Come use a knife, I'm gonna use the other knife. So I'll do it from here. You do that part. Ah, you have to be careful. Come show inside. Wait. What? It's empty. Where is my Amazon is gonna pay back. Intro. So just kidding.
Wait, actually believed it. Yeah, I believed it.
I was just kidding. I opened this before taking the video, so you know how it is. But it's a cool mic, I think. It's the it's a Rode microphone, and Rode microphones are very powerful. It's free studio grade pop shield. They have a free high quality shock mount, free high quality XLR cable, and 10-year warranty. What?
10 years?
That's a lot. I'll be 60 as well.
I'll be dead. You never know, life is too short, my friend.
Sure. I might buy it if life is short.
Ooh. What? What you say, cameraman? Okay.
Alright.
This, throw it away. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Okay, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Cameraman, do your job.
Yeah, I'm inside there.
Okay. Can you see everything clearly, or we need some light?
Yeah, we might not be able to see your hands clearly.
What are you saying, Mr. Roderick?
Racist.
Okay, what? So this is the XLR cable. I don't even know what that means, but once I found out, I'll tell you. It's the cable that.
How much was it?
Don't ask those questions. I'll put the pricing. I'll put the pricing in the description after you watch the video.
Man, we shall pick a name of your video. Don't tell us the price.
This is the price that. So you connect to the audio interface or mixer, and then you connect to the actual mic. It's actually pretty long, so it gives you that flexibility.
That means I can use it from my room to here.
Exactly. Except that's not gonna happen. Now this is the powerful thing.
What's this?
That
Cameraman, stay there, man.
that's it. Bad. Don't move. So this is very powerful. I love the build that it has.
Wow. That's silver.
Yeah.
You're not even
my
sure
friend,
the whole
I'm
thing.
starting to sing now.
You know I was assisting.
I was kinda debating between buying the Shure M7B mic. They call it a dynamic mic. The reason why I didn't buy that one. Were you showing that?
No.
There is.
How will you not showing it?
It's fine even if you show it. I'm gonna show it too.
Oh, that's
No, don't go ahead. The reason why I bought this. The reason why I bought this over the dynamic mic is because this is a condenser mic. So it captures everything. I can literally record a powerful song here while cars are passing around. So that's the power of it. I hope I'm not lying, but we'll test it.
You should start a new YouTube channel for this. Because this is a good video, serious.
This goes in part to media, my friend.
What are we doing?
They think they're gonna use this mic.
So now there's like 1, 2,
Yeah, now
How many mics?
Now I'm ready to start my
3,
mission.
4 mics.
Yeah, man. You
Plus
can
the
just
small-
Hey, stop advertising. These are gonna come here.
I know my headphones.
We'll find out.
Those are these. Those are like this.
I have to do
Why
this.
don't they come with a stand?
A
Don't
what?
be violent, man.
This is the shock mount.
seriously.
James, that's overdoing, my friend.
So this is where the microphone sits, if you will.
Stands.
Well, yeah. But it's not standing because it's short. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If it was on the other...
Jokes.
Desert.
Alright, to my YouTube channel, Rukore mazi.
It looks really powerful. So what you do?
knew that could be
Wow.
sure road.
What you do?
Yo, it was gold, yeah,
What you do is you do that.
Wow, no, that's actually that looks powerful. That's like podcast kind of like.
No, it's for singing.
Yes, I know. I don't need stop embarrassing.
broadcast Don't worry, my friend, I'll join you. Start it.
I don't know how to do this now.
Bro, I didn't like that end.
Even if we can.
It's still loading.
How do you do it? How do you export it, my friend?
I didn't export it. I just called it. Now it's still trying to.
Told you, let's use Canva. I'm joking.
This is the price that he paid. Okay.
Die for
So, you know what, guys? I'm gonna test the mic right away.
Yo, I think because of your computer, this Dzaleka, like should work. Were you trying
But now here's my problem. One disadvantage.
You connected here, you see, did not see that, did you?
Connect away.
Accept it.
What is
That-
this?
You see that goes into this thing. Show them.
Okay, so change of plans.
Remove that old camera.
Remove the old mic.
This is just
You
see it's like that.
That's your mic.
Oh, and you can remove this actually.
You're not standing in Janego. That was a good no.
Oh, I go in a kayak canoe.
We need to buy another 2 more.
Quartet.
When cinema
Okay, now I'm gonna
see
start
me.
recording our songs.
Now the
Heaven make peace.
Reba tangire kusakuza ngo nindese kuri YouTube. Ndakuguze mu cyumba cha James.
What are you trying to do, James?
I'm trying to remove this. Why don't you help?
Just ask help. Ask
Help.
for the help.
Can you help?
Yeah, you see, and then let me help
No,
you.
leave it. I'll do it myself.
He was like, he's a kononika if I touch it.
Maybe. How do you know?
I'll be the first one to record on it, you see.
Excuse me, what did you say?
I'll be the first one to record on it.
Are you challenging us or what?
Yeah, it's a challenge. Can you get up? Open it.
You
and
get
get
in
code.
these are Hindu, but you just have to change the color of it.
Wait, can I see?
Okay, cameraman. Are you showing what's going on here?
Yes, sir.
Don't zoom in too much. Make sure you're showing everything.
Jem, I have a question. Banzu chomokore kino.
No, leave it. It's fine, Sam. It's okay. It's okay.
Nothing.
Jem, why are you doing that?
Nothing.
Yeah.
It was gonna be.
I can't
Dude,
tell you good.
It was still gonna work.
it was gonna, of course, by then.
See, it's done. Just two rounds.
Nothing.
Not that, is it?
This cameraman is just doing things in the back. Yay.
James, you gotta chill, my friend.
So that's just how it works?
How else would work? South Africa. Or Kanjara muri office.
Okay, serious, no computer, it needs deliverance.
But it's going to work.
Let's get a new computer.
What?
Okay, wanna show them the old mics?
Yeah.
This is the
Future mic.
Yeah, Jay, give them to me. I'll be using them. I don't mind.
no, they are still usable, my friend. It's not like we're throwing them away. So this is the PreSonus M7, which was bought with the
Flex.
yeah, you know what I
There's so
mean.
many brands here, my mic.
Brand.
Blends.
Oh,
no,
Blends.
blends.
Yeah, blends.
Blends.
We're going to blends to buy coffee.
No, it's brands, man. Why you gotta do that?
Yeah,
Why you gotta do that?
just done. The posts are made. The posts to be done. This is the what is this one?
Yeah, go serious.
This one is
Does it drink enough water?
this is the Blue Yeti mic.
This is the songs it recorded.
No. It's all about the settings. No. Alex knows what I was gonna say. And then finally, this is the Audio Technica. Amazing brands, but I think this one does a job better than them.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Anyways, we can just search it.
Now,
Warangije,
no, I'm not done.
my friend, the battery's gonna die.
That's fine. Let it die.
The memo.
Okay, so let's test this mic. Can you give me my headsets over there? Or headphones, or whatever you call them?
So when you're recording, you can't hear anything else. Only your
Where are the
sound.
ones you taped?
Well, yeah, that's the, I think so.
Where are the ones you taped with there?
Bring it. Open for him.
Oh, these ones work?
Okay, so I do not have audio interface right now, but we are going to use this this mixer.
Yes.
NT1A.
Celebrity.
Okay, so can you show here?
Yeah.
This is a mixer I received as a gift from someone. It's amazing.
From
It's
Uncle
helpful.
Paul.
Yeah. So let's
Yeah.
turn it on.
Remember
Actually,
that Uncle Paul is a very good person.
yeah, thank you so much, Uncle Paul, for this mixer. It's amazing. Okay, so you turn it on, and the feedback is amazing from this mic.
Wow, can I try it?
You are a cameraman.
But I can hear you can pass it on. It's not like I'm
Um,
600 kilometers away.
Chillax. 1, 2.
Asa kuba wodwo muri video yawe.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, hey. Everything is so crystal clear.
Really? So you
Except
can't hear me?
I can hear
Can you
you.
hear the cars?
I can hear them.
Wait, can I try?
I can hear the cars.
A little bit.
But it sounds different. We need to test when it's recorded.
Hello. Wow, this is clear. Ariko mama ndachamu.
Of course. Okay, so we have to turn the gain down here. Everything to reversal.
Hello. It's so clear.
No. Hallelujah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
I am so touched by my singing.
Okay.
My singing is so good. What?
Bring it.
No.
Don't fight. Don't
sorry,
fight.
sorry.
But-
Apologize.
but- yeah.
Apologize.
So,
What?
sorry.
Apologize.
Oh.
I did. I didn't even hit him.
No, you disrespected him.
How? I just took the headphones, but sure, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Can you know Ngambi ndabibuka bari?
Now, can you connect this
Oh,
to the
yeah,
computer over there? Actually, it's
No,
amazing.
use that one.
No, that one is not gonna help. Connect it to the other computer. Okay, it's been 14 minutes, guys. I promise this is a 15-minute video. So don't worry.
Hariyo ama USB mesh.
Ubundi uraza kwigira mute.
Mute who?
Okay, yeah.
That was too loud. Reduce the... I can't hear the cars.
Really?
No.
Can you hear that one?
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Welcome everybody to this podcast. Everything is very crystal clear. Let's see. I'm using this one, the newer one. No, we're gonna cut things out. Hey, can you connect there?
Yeah.
Adobe Audition.
Use your headphone and get it.
Okay, Rod, go do it. We'll just take the video.
Cameraman, stay on your job.
Can you show me?
Behind you. Yeah, I'm showing you.
Okay, so guys, I've just unboxed this mic, and I'll be recording my first cover or my first song, and then we'll see how it sounds, and you guys will tell me what you think. All right, thank you so much. If you like this video,
When you sign you, what sign did you use?
if you like this video, subscribe.
No, you did this.
That was accidental. I don't know.
What's wrong? Anybody accident is not bad.
If you guys like, hey, I'm speaking.
Oh, yes, sir.
Do you want me to record this to put this on YouTube?
You can hear us.
What am I supposed to do?
No, don't do anything.
No, what am I supposed to do?
Nothing. Hey.
Oh, thanks.
Oh boy.
Then get a free dog.
Alex, it's over. I'm finishing the video.
Oh, sorry.
So show me. Let me say
I'm
goodbye.
showing you.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. If you like this,
Yeah.
thank you so much, guys. If you like this video, subscribe and share the link to your friends who are interested in video recording, audio recording, and production. All right. Thank you so much, and see you next time.
See you next Friday. Yo, watch.
Oh, by the way, I was using the to record this audio. I'm using this lavalier mic. It's also a Rode mic. No, it's not a Rode mic, but it's very powerful. Hey, you're making noise. What?
See you next Friday.
See you next Friday.